Did you just get a MacBook? No? Get out of here. Yes. Stay here. I'm going to show you 5 cool apps that you need for your MacBook to start a productive lifestyle with your new device. Let's get started. This first app is called Notion. It's basically a better version of the calendar app, and you can get it on your web browser. This next app is called Keep You Awake. This is a coffee mug logo, and you can choose the times. I'm really sorry about the blur. It's really annoying. I don't know why the screen recording turns like that. You can get it on the web too. This next app is called Widget Wall. The free widgets are pretty nice. So yeah, you just put those on your computer and it looks a really nice display. You can get this on the App Store or on the web. Now, earlier in the video, I mentioned web browsers, and this one is definitely my favorite. This is not sponsored, but this is Opera. It's probably the best browser. Finally, this is not sponsored either, but the free version of Proton VPN is really good. It's my favorite, and it's probably one of the few free ones that actually is safe. Hope that helped. Have a good one.